How to appear offline on Facebook Mobile. So first is to open the Facebook application. Tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings. Scroll down until you see this section, Audience and Visibility. Select the last setting, which is Active Status. Then turn off the toggle button beside Show when you're active. So this pop-up notification will appear, so just select Turn Off. Now that you have turned off your active status, your Facebook friends will no longer see when you are active, as well as you will no longer see when your Facebook friends are active. And so that is how to appear offline on Facebook Mobile. Thank you and have a great day.